Hi, happy holidays. We are going to be making a quick and easy wrapping bow for your Christmas presents. So here is a finished product. We're going to start with our wrapped package, our scissors, and our spool of ribbon. So we're gonna start. Give yourself a nice healthy length of ribbon. I like the wired ribbon because it holds the loops nicely. All right, so when you start the ribbon, I like to do the long side first just because it's easier to manage the box. Give yourself a decent amount at the end. You're gonna go under the box, wrap it around, bring it over, and then you're just gonna twist them together, okay? Now you can do that twist anywhere on the package. So if you wanna put the bow in the middle, kind of like this one, you can do that. If you wanna do the twist up at the top so that your bow will then be closer to the top of the package, you can do it that way as well. So again, when you bring your ribbon through, right, you're gonna bring the ribbon all the way around, you're just gonna twist them around each other. Okay, pull that tight, and you're gonna take the ribbon, and you're gonna go around the shorter edge of the box. And again, bring it all the way over, and again, you're just gonna twist it around and then pull it tight. I like to put a knot here because it holds the ribbon nicer, and then it doesn't move, and you don't have to worry about holding it while you're doing your other pieces. So then I cut these the same length, and that's your base to add your bow. So you're actually going to make a piece to tie on. It's not a one-piece bow. So you're gonna take your length of ribbon and you're gonna make some loops. This is a 3-loop bow, so that's 1 loop, and you're gonna hold it in the middle. That makes 2 loops, and you're just gonna go all the way around. And then your 3rd loop goes around, and you're gonna cut that. I like to cut it the same length. If you cut it a little bit shorter, it can kind of stick out at the edges, but you're gonna fold it in half, and you don't have to, but I like to cut once you fold it in half. Not a lot, but just cut off those edges so that it has notches. If you follow that. So there's your loops. This is your bottom, not your top. Then you're gonna lay it on top, and you're just gonna tie it on. And you're gonna tie it on with those notches. And I like the notches. And again, not everybody cuts notches. I find that it lays flatter. You see how flat that'll lay? So you just tie that on. If you have enough, you can actually make loops and tie it just like you're tying your shoes. Just tie a little bow in the middle. And then you're gonna just fluff out your loops. Almost done. Just fluff out your loops. You can pull on them a little bit to make them different sizes. You have your edges. I like to cut them together because then they look the same. And you're gonna snip them a little bit on the diagonal. Fold them in half and snip them on the diagonal, and then they have the little points. And you're just gonna fluff out your loops. And if your loops are different sizes, it's okay too, because they're all gonna be fluffed out. And that's your quick and easy holiday bow for your packages. We just want to say happy holidays from Penn Medicine, Princeton House Behavioral Health. We wish you a very happy New Year.